Yo ho, day 2. Alright, here's what I did. I put the gauges back on, and she was holding vacuum. Then I turned that back on just for a minute, and it's looking good. All systems is go. Alright, now the vacuum pump is out of it's out of the way. I've got the red hose closed off. Now I've got the yellow hose, I got the blue hose open, and now I'm going to add a little bit of gas. Alright, that's just a tiny amount. And I'm going to go ahead and plug her in and watch the gauge. There she goes. Now, I'm going to turn this, leave that open. I'm going to close this up a little bit. Open this. And I don't want that to get above 10. I want this to go in real slow. It's still in negative. See that? It's still in negative red. I'm going to let it go. I'm going to let it go in real slow. Now, see by closing that off, that tells me that the compressor is pulling. It's pulling all the gas I can put in. But I don't want to put it in too fast. I'll put it in real slow. If you put it in real fast, you're going to flood the lines. The thing don't hold that much to begin with. Put it in too fast, it's going to flood the lines. It's going to overcharge it. And it's going to be just as bad as if it didn't have any in it at all. So you got to be careful on that. So that down. What I want to do, I want the magic number to be is 5 psi. These outer numbers here, the black letters, are pounds per square inch. I want to get it charged up to where I've got 5, and it's staying at 5 psi. When it stays at 5 psi, it's charged. Just let it go in slow. All you gotta do is compressor vibrating nice. Real quiet refrigerator. Ugly as hell, black. Who buys a black refrigerator? But it wouldn't be made in Mexico, baby. Only the best is for us. Alright. It's creeping up above 10 now. Well, right, now to close that off, and it's sitting right on 5. I'm gonna wait. Close this here tank off. And it's liable to drop. If I put it in too fast or had it too jerky, it's liable to drop. So I'm gonna just let it go. She's squirting about. Now as the inside of the ice box gets colder, this is going to drop down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back in a little bit, and if it's dropped down, I'll add just a hair more in. And you might want it to be just a little above 5. When you take the hose off, you might lose a smidge. So I'm gonna let it just sit there and chill. And I come back after lunch maybe and check and see how it's doing. It's sitting right there on. It's right there on 4. But see the frost line's going across in the evaporator. Just close this off. Alright, Jada, you cut that on there. Yeah. Can't make a movie worth a damn. Get it to sit right on 5. I'm gonna leave it alone. There. Now. All right. That's where you charge. Right there. We'll come back in a minute. Well, hello. Just right on time. My helicopter friend. The United States Coast Guard. We're blessed with them around here. I think they're learning how to fly the thing or something, putting in their hours or whatever. Anyway, I'll be back in a minute. Maybe there won't be no more helicopter. Maybe they'll go to lunch after a while.